Welcome to Cinnamon Ridge Farm at 419 South Pose Road, Amissville, Virginia. This striking farmhouse is situated on 10 open, rolling acres with lovely pastoral views. Built in 2007, this home was designed for a comfortable lifestyle, completely centered around horses, and so all the practicalities necessary on a working horse farm are integral to the layout and design of the entire property. Unassuming in design, the facade belies the elegant interior. While the architecture nods respectfully to the farming tradition in Rappahannock County, the interior is entirely modern, with an open floor plan and luxurious amenities. Though the floor plan incorporates formal living and dining rooms, the decor is refined but definitely relaxed. The heart of this home is certainly the well-appointed kitchen. Upmarket granite countertops and a glitzy backsplash add glamour and a sense of energy to the space, which overflows to a cozy family room and a sunny morning room. A spacious main-level master suite offers a spa-like bathroom. Upstairs are 3 additional bedrooms and a 3rd full bath. There is also a rec room in the lower level, which leads to a very cool patio. A frequent host to a wide variety of local equestrian events, the facilities at Cinnamon Ridge were thoughtfully designed and will accommodate even the most discerning equestrian. Wonderful training facilities include a 70-foot round pen with bluestone footing and a well-constructed 120-foot by 240-foot all-weather competition arena with bluestone, sand, and rubber footing. Hauling in and out is easy with a circular drive and plenty of parking for horse trailers and guests. There is ample turnout with multiple fenced paddocks. Inside the barn, there are 4 stalls, a well-lit wash stall with hot and cold water, heated tack room, and a lounge. A 3-bay equipment shed provides tidy storage for tractor and farm supplies. An ideal location in the heart of Virginia's horse country, this property offers a scenic country setting on a state-maintained road with easy access to Route 211 and the town of Warrenton. A beautiful home, situated amongst an equestrian facility of this caliber, truly makes 419 South Pose Road an excellent value.